Alright, so I'm doing a leak down test on these valves. I put water in the exhaust ports, and that'll tell you if any of your valves are leaking. So this one's been going for about 10 minutes. All of them look good except for number 8, and right there, just leaking a little bit. It's not too bad compared to cylinder number 3, and this one's been going for about half the time of the first one, and it's already leaking a lot more. So I don't know if the color of the valves have anything to do with it, because that one's the whitest one on that one, and that one's kind of the whitest one. So we're gonna do the intake valves next and see what happens. Just poured water into the intake ports on both heads, and here's the results. So the intake valves leak test results. We've got cylinder number 3, which you can tell it's leaking pretty hard. Number 4, also leaking. Number 8, and then number 7. And all the other ones are pretty good. So if we rebuild this block, we're gonna have to get all the valve seats and new valves and all that stuff done. So I got the engine back together, just kind of loosely threw it back together. I got the ring end gap measurements, put them right there, and then I threw it back together because I was planning on going to get a engine last weekend, and I wanted to have this one out of the way so I could throw the new one on the engine stand, but that didn't happen. Some stuff going on there, so hopefully getting a new engine. Hopefully another 302 with GT40 heads, so make the turbo flow a little better. And so if anybody wants this engine, I'll make a good deal on it for you. Still a good engine, it just needs rebuilt and all that. So next video is probably going to be the new engine, or sometime soon, hopefully, the new engine. So thanks for watching, and if you like the video, hit the like button.